Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to send multiple photos on Gmail on your PC with the new update. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Gmail. Make sure you are signed in to your account. Step 2. Click on Compose to start a new email. Step 3. After completing the fields such as recipient, subject, and body of the email, it's time to attach the photos. To do this, click on the photo icon located in the email composition toolbar. Step 4. A window will pop up allowing you to select the photos you want to attach. Simply choose the photos you want to send and click Open. Step 5. Once you have selected all the photos you want to attach, click on the Send button to send the email with the photos included. And that's it. You have successfully sent multiple photos on Gmail using your PC with the new update. It's a simple process that can save you time and make sharing photos with your friends and family a breeze. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.